mail. I love receiving mail. And you're actually going to see 2 mail calls in this. So keep watching, because I also got more mail, which I will share in this video as well. This is the first one we're going to share today. I know who it's from. I've got a clue of part of what's in it. It says fragile, handled with care. Now, strangely, this one had no payment to pay on it. And we were really expecting to pay something on this, some VAT or some duty import or something like that. But there was nothing to pay, and we are pretty shocked by this. So let's open it up. Oh, let's tell you first who it's from, shall we? I know, but I don't know if you know. This is from my workaways, my last workaways that came. This is from Stephanie and Adrian. And I'll link some videos below so you can see them. And as I say, stay tuned, because when I open this one, there will be a second parcel opening as well. So let's get opening. So thank you very much, Stephanie and Adrian. We really appreciate what you're sending us. What have we got here? A couple bits in here. Got that. Can you guess what it is? Can you tell what it is? Any guesses? Very well wrapped, well done. I'm cutting this bubble wrap carefully so it can be reused rather than going to plastic waste. Oh wow, brilliant. Can you see what I've got? Wow, thank you so much, guys. Mobile phone tripod and camera tripod. Bluetooth shutter for iPhone, ISO and Android 403 or newer mobile phones, not for cameras. It's exactly what I want. And this is because when I was filming Stephanie and Adrian's interview, talking about their volunteering experience here, They were laughing at what I've been using as a tripod. It's an actual camera tripod, so not for phones, and Mike adapted it so I could fit my phone onto it. And they said, "Oh, that's really good, that works then." I said, "Not really, come and look." And where we'd attached the bit so we could kind of make it to hold the phone, it had broken with the weight on the phone because it wasn't meant to be for that, and I'd glued it. And they said, "Well, that's all right, you've glued it." I said, "Yes, but look, we're out in the sun now filming you, you're doing your interview, and look what's happened." And I could really bend all the support where the glue was melting in the heat. So look, they've taken pity on me. Bless you guys so much. How lovely is that? That is brilliant. That is super. That's the brand from Very Good. Let's get it out. Oh, I'm so grateful. How blessed am I to have met them? It's absolutely wonderful. Although it's got its own carry case. This isn't all that's in here. There's, as I showed you, there's another packet as well. Wow. Oh, it's very like sturdy. It's not plasticky, it's metal. Metal. So it's very good quality. Oh guys, I'm amazed by this. This is wonderful. There's the top. I'll set it all up and show you that. Wow, that's metal. Excellent. Super. This is a bit to hold the phone. And again, not plastic. This is absolutely solid. Lovely. Thank you for that. As I say, I'll set it up in a minute, but let's open the other packet first. So here's the other package. Any guesses? Very well wrapped. My address if anyone wants to send me anything. Super. Again, I'll reuse this envelope. Ooh. Ooh, we have seeds. We have seeds. Oh, this is interesting. It's got one of those scanner code things, and it says scan for instructions. That's quite a clever idea. I've never used a scanner before. Okay, so Stephanie, you know I'm coming at you to see what we've got here. These beans or peas. I must learn, I'm not sure, is that Malaysian writing? Chinese? I don't know. Maybe this should be my task to learn languages. That looks like watermelon. Oh, thank you for that. That's really kind. That's really kind. Lovely. And we got something else here. Let's have a look. Let's see. There's something in it. It says thank you. Ooh, look at these seeds. These are huge. They look like mini chestnuts. Look like mini chestnuts. Ah, they are Logan seeds, it says. And there's another one underneath here. It's portulaca seeds. Portulaca. I'm learning so much from my friends. Portulaca. Oh, weenie. There's tons in there. It says, right, it says what these are. Oh, right, the second one, they're flower seeds, it says. The rest are in the envelope. Dear Dawn and Mike, big thanks again for being such an amazing host during our workaway trip with you. We had such an amazing time learning new skills and getting to know both of you. Unfortunately, I won't be able to get the fresh pandan leaves over to you. She did talk about that. I said, oh, I wonder if I could get any, because they counted them as liquid, she was telling me in an email. Hoping some of these interesting ones will work in your garden. Apparently they can grow in most kinds of soil and hopefully don't take too long to bear fruit. And she's put what they all are. Right, watermelon. Edamak, does that say, which is a soybean. Edamak soybean can be eaten as peas. I said they looked a bit like peas. Or wait until fully ripe, hard to boil into a soya drink. Logan is a refreshing sweet fruit, a bit like lychee. And the portulaca, a mini rose-like flower. Cool. More care packages to come. I hope that's just that second box that we are going to show you opening in a minute. I hope this gets to you guys. Happy gardening. Love Steph and Adrian. Stephanie and Adrian, oh, you're such awesome people. And as I say, I hope you'll come over again soon. And no work for you this time. Just come and stay as friends. Okay, so I feel I need a tripod to film the new tripod. There are many features I like of this, apart from it being so sturdy. I love that it's not Bambified. Now, anyone who doesn't know what I'm on about, I talk about this a lot. For me, I can't stand tripody things up. They always splay their legs and fall down. So I call it Bambified, from the Disney cartoon Bambi, where Bambi kept falling down. So this will stop that issue for me, which I like very much. And the feet, they are so grippy. They are so grippy, these feet. It's sturdy. It's perfect. So I'm going to be playing around with this for a bit and having fun with it. And again, thank you, Adrian and Stephanie, so much for this. It is so, so appreciated. I've been playing around with it. I'm like, what's this? It says spare. I'm like, spare what? You take it out. It looks like it's a little remote. Oh, how cool is that? Lovely. So you know what I'm doing for the next time? I'm now playing with my new toy. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you so much. And Mike will use it as well, I'm pretty sure, because he can't hold my phone. It's too wobbly for him to film holding my phone. But he can now use my phone and put it in the tripod. Yahoo! Thanks guys so much. So I don't know what thank you is, because that should be from me to you. Thank you so much. And as I say now, let's open the second package from Stephanie and Adrian.